Hi guys, so this was supposed to be a collab but it fell through. I'm so sorry. I can only do the Jamaican version. Next time I'll try and get the Antiguan as well. So I do hope you enjoy.
Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for stopping by today. I hope you're all keeping well and safe. Now in today's video I'll be doing part 2 of the Jamaican versus Antiguan slang or words or phrases. Today's going to be about words, but you get the picture. Now I did part 1 about 2 months ago and I'll be linking it right here so you guys can watch it. You know, I'm going to shout out my Antiguan massives as well, and I'm going to shout out my Jamaican massive as well, and all my Caribbean people. I love you guys and I don't shout you out enough, so I just wanted to take the opportunity to do that today. So shout out to you all. I love you and one love. Alright, so guys, this video is going to be about body parts. Now I'm going to be calling out from head to toe, head, shoulders, knees and toes. So I'm going to be doing from head to toe, and I'm going to be calling out words. I'm going to put them on the screen first. I'm going to be calling out words that Jamaicans say in their accent or in our accent. I'll be calling out the words, and then I'm going to be attempting to make a sentence with these words in Jamaican Patois. I'm going to go ahead and jump into this video so you guys can, you know, have a laugh. It's time to have a laugh. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, this is something that I really enjoy doing. I love my culture. I love both cultures, and this is a good way of bringing our cultures together. So, you ready? Una ready? All right, Lego. All right, so I'm going to start off with head. Jamaicans call it ed. And it's not just your head, it can be used to describe your hair as well. For example, your head biggie, that means you've got a big head. Your head is big. Or, oh, your head's so dry, meaning your hair is dry. So it can be used to describe your head itself or your hair. It depends on where you are in Jamaica or what you're talking about. But it can be used to describe your hair as well as your head. So that's one. Head is called ed. All right, we completely lose the H, so it's called ed. Number 2, I've written them down so I don't miss them, guys. Hang on. Number 2, forehead. Forehead is called farid. F-A-R-I-D. Sentence. Our farid biggie? Meaning she has a big forehead, right? You get it? So the forehead is called farid. We are so funny. 3, eyes or eye. Yai. I don't know how you spell it, but I'm going to attempt to spell it Y-E-Y-E. Or maybe not, but yai. So eye is called yai. Example in a sentence. Oh, your yai so red. Meaning, why are you so jealous? Why your yai, make your yai so red? I don't know what the yai so red means, but I know it. The actual saying means you're jealous. So yai is eye. Okay? Teeth. You guys say teeth. We say teeth. So we completely lose the H. So it's called teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Meaning, have you brushed your teeth since morning? So funny, you guys. Listen, I love the Jamaican patois. It is so funny. Honestly, like, makes me laugh all the time. Even me saying it now, it's so funny to me. Okay, guys, so your ears is called ears. Ears. Like, remember ring your ears. That's what your mama or your grandmother used to say to you when you were being rude. Come here, remember ring your ears, meaning they're going to ring your ears because you've been misbehaving. So your ears is called ears. Got it? Good. I hope you're learning, you know. I hope you're taking notes because I'm going to be quizzing you guys, okay? And your arm is called hand. So your whole arm is called hand. Oh, your hand them so long. Yeah, your arm is called hand. So your hand long. Meaning you've got long arms, but we call it hand. The whole thing, is called hand. Don't ask me. The next one is fingers. Your fingers are called finger or fingers. Finger. F-I-N-G-A. So your fingers are called finger. No mash your finger in at the door. Meaning don't smash your finger in the door. Okay? Booty. So booty has several different ways of saying. So we say bumper, we say bottom, or we say body, right? So let me use bumper. Why the girl a bumper high, man? That means she's got a big booty. Or oh, your body's so flat. You've got a flat bottom. So booty is bumper, bottom, or body, depending on who you're talking to. This word can be used in several ways, okay? And knees. Your knees. Can I show you my knees? Your knee. That's this. Your kneecap is called your knee cup. That's your knee cup, okay? So your knee cup looks ashy. So that means your kneecaps are ashy, them dry. Your knee cup, them ashy. You understand? So your kneecap is called your knee cup. And the last one, guys, is legs. Your legs, your leg, all of this we call foot. So this and here, your legs, we call it foot. So the whole thing is called foot, all right? So in a sentence, you'd say, you wash your foot them from morning? Meaning, have you washed your legs, your entire leg, including your foot? Have you washed them since morning? But we just call the entire leg foot. I hope you guys get what I'm saying, right? Because sometimes it makes no sense, but that's just the Jamaican patois for you. Okay guys, so that will do for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. I found it so fun and I hope you did as well. Subscribe to me whilst you're here. The button is right there. Yep. Thumbs up, and don't forget to comment if you enjoyed this video, and what else? Turn the notifications on. Yes. That's it. So make sure that you do all of those things, and thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you found it fun. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Thumbs up for part 3.